can barely see nothing. Start.
Apple?
Move, Sonny.
Move. Sonny. Look what's going on. See what's going on?
Did he hold?
That was a good one. We have 2 out of that one, Ken.
Did you get it going up? Here we go.
I don't know what that one does. That's bullets from pop. All from pop.
Light up, man, these things, because I don't know what it is.
Corny bien.
Yeah. I don't like those.
Roderick, a round circle. As he says, yeah.
Paparazzi?
Open it.
Hey. Now you're supposed to light up those,
Jigsaw Jopi, they're coming from every which direction.
I can't let you go.
Make sure. That's fire, Gus.
Fire you don't want to be.
Fire, no. Really? Candy Casalaika. Roman candle.
Wow.
How about the trade?
Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
Manny, that's yours now. Watch. Let's see what it does.
Move, Tom.
Yeah, they'll fight you, man. Yeah,
That got
Manny's,
that one was moving up in that Oh, vaya que parido, muchacha. We got a back one. Hey, now. Okay, wow.
Got it relighted.
Yeah, oh, look, that's Manny. That's why they charge $30 for that one thing.
Watch out, go to it.
Look how pretty. He's trying not to come on this way. You're kind of like Monica.
What are you doing? Right through these doors.
Hey, you guys gotta watch this one.
Yeah, that's a strong one.
Yeah, we had to.
Watch this one.
Move, Tom.
Not yet.
Tom, you know which one is that? The one I wanted. I told you 300 shots.
Why'd you put the big one?
No, that's Budrick. You can't use that one.
Yeah.
Budrick, that one's gonna get hot fast. Budrick, my durée क्या करता है? Don't use those ones. Turn up.
Wow. Budrick's gonna blow up. You're not supposed to use them in the hand. You're supposed to put it record the vibe. Forget that. Shut up, Budrick. That's yeah.
Hey, who we missing?
Statue. Hey, Ken, take a Statue of Liberty.
You want to watch those one firecrackers one time? You want to watch that roll of firecrackers? Yeah, but no, hold on. You know, should clean up. Yeah, clean up, Mike. Clean up.
All right, we will continue.
Oh, it's good. Hold on.